Angel. Student yan. Saan ba? Breakfast.
Send me also.
What's the breakfast? Shawarma, no?
No croissants today.
Omelette.
Maybe you finished too much yesterday, that's right. No croissant.
This is cold.
Construction company, come on. Job ito nang matay ito sa katawan ba?
Kasama ko ngayon si Shishi. At si Angel. Angel of mine. Danish. Dito kami ngayon sa training room. Para kami mga student. Anong natutunan mo, Shishi?
Meron naman. Marami naman.
Actually, ano yan, parang refresher.
Refresher.
Kasi after 5 years, kailangan natin ng training. Kailangan, di ba, Be?
Tsaka yung mga nakasanayan natin, akala natin.
Correct.
Okay lang.
Parating na yung prof namin, kaya mamaya na lang. Ayun ang itsura ng training room na.
We got operated.
So sorry to hear that. Okay, I'm not going to judge. You come and judge this one.
Which oil?
Helicopter.
Ay, naku, grabe. Sira yung tiyan ko. Ito yung pinakamahirap eh. Nasa meeting ka, tapos sira yung tiyan mo.
اضرب ده من الحديد خلينا تروح.
Bakit?
Sabi niya next time.
Next time.
Nakakatawa sa ano sa
Sarap yung pagkain nila ngayon, no? Sarap yung soup. Live tayo. Hello sa mga kamag-anak ni JR.
Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Papanalo po natin itong hearing.
Sa mga magulang ni JR, kumakain po siya ng matiwasay. Busog po siya lagi rito.
Yung salad, ulit.
Sarap yung buttered chicken niya.
Kumuha rin ako.
Sarap. Indian food.
Sabong ka tayo, bagti na tayo.
Si Angel. Sarap ba yung food?
Kain.
Ba't kinuha mo, Jelly?
Diet.
Mangkagut? Mangkagut?
Mamaya ko.
Hi, Mama Edna.
Tapos tatay ko, kapangalan ko.
Kapangalan mo? Rolando.
Pero ano yan, nickname?
Junior ka eh.
Nickname niya. Rolly or...
Rolly.
Oo, Rolly.
Hi.
Kung tawagin siya sa nanay at tatay niya before, Rolly. O kaya, Lando.
Lando. Kuya Lando, dito po anak nyo. Busog po yan lagi. Tatay Lando, hello po. Kay Mama Edna.
ये भी कहता पड़ा देखिए पर होंडे स्टार रहती बने नाइट डिनर के आने तो मिल रहा
Maano sila sa ano na? Walang
तभी लगा है वो
Wala nga ba yun?
अतर में वो
Mainit
बाहर
na.
दिन होटल इधर होटल है उन्हें
hindi sa mainit. Pero hindi ko mainit.
Parang mahandag direction.
Nakakasok.
Para kasing bihira lang magkaroon ng tao dito.
Sila nakabakasyon.
Ay kaya,
Kaya kami
देखिए
training.
पावेला दी मैं फर्स्ट जॉब पे अपने करेगा
yun pala.
Ano pa sila 1 month and
Buti naman nagbakasyon sila. Hindi, wala tayong training.
Wala tayong training pag ano. Kasi last month, postpone yung amin eh.
Tsaka occupied siguro yung mga rooms.
खाटा लगा Corona. Beer.
Beer.
Modern day training. Give us beer.
Ayan si Udish. Ay,
Lunch. She's for her son.
मैंने मेट्रो
grabe, busog na kami. Busog kami.
सिटी सेंटर हेड ऑफिस अरेंज सीन नदी ना वोडाफोन हेड ऑफिस
Busog sarap.
वोडाफोन फ्रँचायझी ना माऊन कंप्लेंट सबको मैं बोलूंगा मैं हेड ऑफिस के सिटी सेंटर
Sana sa work natin, ganito rin, no? Pag lunch break.
Kaya nga, libre, no?
राहुल दाना दूंगे सीन में देखने की मंटू रहेगा
So, guys, mamaya may certificate kami makukuha. Diba, no? Kailangan natin yung mga certificate para pagka daw nag-apply ka sa next company, magagamit mo siya. Iba yung ibang language yung naririnig ninyo, no? Kasi may mga kasama kami ibang lahi dito. Labeshi, ayan na naman.
Ako din, naghihintay lang pa ng tamang panahon.
Silipin natin yung toilet nila, guys. Wala naman tao. Ano ba to? Automatic. Ito yung automatic. Kaya lang ito meron siyang automatic din na soap. Tapos water. Automatic din. Lahat automatic. Kalang. At dahil busog na tayo, it's time for retouch. Pauwi na kami. Super enjoy din, no, babe?
Naman, at saka marami ka rin matututunan talaga. Refresher niya.
Exactly. Tsaka minsan lang kasi mangyari yung ganyan. Once a year lang, hindi siya palagi.
At saka at least, di ba, hindi siya kumbaga, ay, hindi naman sa pag-ano, hindi siya basta-bastang university to, te.
Oo.
University talaga.
Parang kailangan magbayad ka pa rito para lang makapunta ka dito sa place na to. Ito na yung haring araw, be. Ang init, yung mga freckles natin.
Oo, maglalabasan na naman.
Ang mga sumpa.
Melasma.
Ano ba yan? Ang init po. Sobra. Ganito kainit. Tingnan nyo yung tirik na tirik yung araw. Oo, ganito. Sobra. Tapos yan. Ito yung labas.
Kaya dapat lang yung
Whew. Ala yung sunblock. Wala nang effect, be.
Oo, natatalo.
Sobra. Ang init.
Paano ka mag-ano dito? Dito sa sayang. Gano'n. Sobrang init. Totoo ang balat.
Magpuputukan yung ano mo rito, yung skin mo. Para kang lechon. Be, ang freckles, be.
Buti nga sa'yo na wala na talaga totally, no? Saka nabawasan na konti.
Ako, lagi ko yung inaano, hinihilod. Hinihilod ko nung cream ng ano, Celetec. Ay, ang init, grabe. Tignan niyo kung gaano kainit guys. So, sobrang init. Kaya pag dating sa bahay, sobrang nakakasakit ng ulo to eh. Oy, say hi to your to your wife.
Hi. Hi, wife.
Hi wife. As if you don't know her name. Hi wife, he said.
What is this page? Okay, follow Tracklante, guys. New page, new and upcoming YouTuber, please follow. Okay?
Please follow.
Peace.
Rakyanta, yes.
It's good, right? But how can I take? I also did some editing. I'm not good here.
Even me, I don't know about this editing before.
It's easy, right?
Very easy. So she wanted to learn on how to edit using CapCut. Actually, it's very easy. There is a guide also, babe. You can find there.
And how we can put music, like music
Yeah.
like this one?
Yes, it's there. Everything is
We have
there.
to pay?
No, it's free app.
Yeah, then let's
Free.
go.
Let's go.
Yeah, just try. Yeah! Ayan na ang aming sexy driver. Maganda naming driver. Miss Angel, single, ready to mingle.
Answer. The fans.
Huh?
Fans want an answer.
Oh my goodness, why?
We'll do a Q&A with Angels.
What do you want?
What is your preference? Look for.
What is your preference
What
for
do
the
you look
guy and why you're still
Someone
single?
with the money.
Ah,
With the money.
I like that.
No money, no
So
honey.
you must have a
no
lot
money,
of money.
no honey for Angel.
You must be rich.
Yes.
Wala, what's wrong?
That's correct.
I don't know, it's not authorized. Really, we go from this one.
Yeah. Make right.
One-on-one with Angel. So Udesh will do the
Drop
interview.
100 likes and put in the comments if you want one-on-one with Angel.
Please.
We will make the arrangements.
Like and share.
Yeah. Like and share. What is that? This thing? What is this?
Heart.
Heart. Like this, no?
Like this.
Korean art.
Yes.
Korean heart.
Yeah.
They don't need heart, they need a beard. First.
Angel, do you want like a tall, dark, handsome
Huh?
for a guy?
I don't care about the color.
Oh, so it's fine.
But the color
It's
of
not
the
racist.
money.
Yeah, she's not racist. What about nationality?
I don't care about the national.
No problem.
No problem.
Only the bank.
It's open for all.
Bank balance only. Yeah.
You want with the beard or without beard?
No, without.
Without beard.
Yeah, that's the only thing. And I don't want the drinker and the smoker.
Ah, no alcohol, ah?
No alcohol, only drugs.
No drugs.
Boyfriend. Boyfriend, but not.
Earlier, I asked you if you are single. You said you are single. And then when I turn on the video, you said you have. This lady. Now she's shy. See? She's covering this guy. This one is single.
Lapuchina.
Cappuccino. What is special in Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka, we have
Food.
Yeah, we have a variety of foods, and we are good in hospitality. If you come to Sri Lanka, we are welcoming you, and we are doing most spicy food, and we have a lot of nice places to see.
So it's the same in Philippines. If we have a visitor, okay, all the new plates, new spoon, fork, you have to
Take out from the cabinet and
take out
use.
from the cabinet and use for the visitor only.
Yeah, that's true.
China.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
Hospitality.
Good porcelain.
Yeah.
What about the weather in Sri Lanka?
Weathers, we have a tropical weather. If you go to upper country, you will get like cold weather. Yeah.
And I heard that there is a lot
But
of...
there is no snow, only the like mist and cold.
Same with the Philippines. Same in Philippines.
Yeah.
Or province, city.
City Colombo.
Oh, so you're a city girl. Yeah.
Colombo.
Near
Hot.
airport. Near airport.
quite near, like 30 minutes away from here.
And they also have good resorts, yeah?
Yeah.
Beach resorts, yeah.
Resort. Islands. Cave, mountains.
Wow. Shop, Tarin.
Because actually my brother told me that the weather is almost same in
Call even me and
Philippines.
Shop.
The weather in Sri
There,
Lanka. Yeah.
you know.
You remember before that it's allowed to go for exit and then get a new visa?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever they are giving the visa, right?
He went there in Sri Lanka and wait for the new visa because
Good
he was on business visa that time. So before you get your visa in Qatar, you must go for exit. And he went there in Sri Lanka. And you have a transient. You pay for the house. So while waiting for the visa to come, stay in there in transient house. It's a good business.
People came into the streets, went to President's house, kicked him out. So much help.
Init ba, be?
Oo, hindi pa nakaka-recover.
Ano may electric fan?
One real,
Hindi ba nakaka-recover?
like 30 rupees.
Kung gusto niyo ng electric fan ni
Ito,
Sishi,
mura lang.
sa Bacala yan, 15 Qatari reals lang. And rechargeable.
Rechargeable.
Ano yung charger niya?
Yung bilog nga, hindi siya
Ay, bilog? Hindi ka makahanap basta-basta niya.
Oo, dapat lagi mong dala yung cable. Pero USB din.
Ako, kaya nung tiis, ano na. Hindi mo nakapawisin eh, di ba?
Sinabi ko nga kay Angel, kasi kaming dalawa pawisin. Sabi ko, ikaw hindi ka pawisin.
Kasi siguro hindi ako mag-inom ng tubig lagi. Init ng ulo niyan, be.
Bawal na ngayon na may stress. Ano ba tayo, bebe?
Yan, be.
Kaliwa.
Kakaliwa.
Asa bumaba ka na din, bebe?
Oo, ayaw mo naman. Ay, pwede ka nang bumalik.
Pwede ka lang. Pero ang problema mo dito, walang park.
Oo nga, pala ko later no.
Diyan na lang, be. Alam mo na yung exitan mo. Sa Mamakdo.
Exit na lang kita doon.
Okay.
Hindi na lang kayo.
Ano tayo sa, may excavator. Bad trip yan eh.
Uy, saan ka nagpa-parking dito, bebe?
Wala, hirap. Doon ka na, Adrian.
May tao dyan.
Bye-bye, B. Bye,
May
Danica.
car dyan. sa gitna.
Meron? Oo, may paparating siya. Wala na?
Bye!
Bye,
Ingat,
bye.
bebe. Bye! Thank you!
Thank you din sa paghatid. Ingat, be ha. Danisha.
Yeah, you can transfer yan.
Ito na naman, ang init.
Sa susunod, bye.
Ingat.
Sister, Danisha. Bye. See you.
Ang bait naman ni Sister Angel. Hinatid talaga niya
At
tayo.
saka sinabihan ko nga siya kanina kahapon pa uwi namin. Sabi ko, ayaw, pinipilit ko siya actually kasi baka parang naigiya lang. At hindi naman daw kasi siya mahilig sa ganito. Sabi ko, wala naman ibang tao, tayo lang.
Correct. Tayo lang.
Oo.
Ang Prekels. Ito na naman.
Kaya nga.
Takbo na, be. Ang init.
Kapanggap tayo, walang pakialam. In fairness naman yun siya safe.
Lalayasan na namin itong lugar na to, be. Aray ko. Hi. Totoo na to. Bye.